Kickback on a table saw is the #1 reason why woodworkers get hurt. 25 years in the making, they might have finally solved the biggest danger in woodworking. This is the Micro Jig Gripper Air Ultra 25. This is a 25th special anniversary edition gripper. This has 4 brand new features that's going to blow your mind at how much better they made it. I didn't think they could make the gripper better, but they absolutely did. And what makes these very, very special and very rare is the fact that there's only 1,526 of these that are ever going to be made, and they come with a certificate of authenticity that are numbered, so you know what number you get. These are going to sell out extremely fast. I'm calling the outlaw effect on this. This is going to be a very, very limited run on these grippers. Not only are they anniversary edition, but the brand new features that are packed into these, you're going to want to see. Let's go. Micro Jig did send this over for me to check out. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, how awesome this is, check the link in the description. The pinned comment, that's probably going to be the easiest way to find this, or scan the QR code if you're on the TV. I'll try to link it in YouTube Shopping, but a lot of times these special editions like this just won't be available, so the pinned comment's probably going to be your best bet. Now, let me show you all the brand new features this has. As stated, this is an extremely limited run of this gripper 25th anniversary set. I actually got number 2 of 1,526, says right here on my certificate of authenticity, so that is extremely cool. First off, they come in a brand new box. This is a sustainer, so if you're familiar with Festool storage or sustainer storage, that's what you're getting. One mistake I made when I got the sustainer out of the box it came in, I pulled it out of the shipping box and I just assumed the top here was a sticker. This is actually not a sticker. This is printed on. So it's not like a sticker that's going to peel off, this 25th anniversary badge. So I think that is extremely cool. Micro Jig always kind of goes above and beyond. They do the next level thing, and I'm glad to see that, especially when you're buying a piece of woodworking history here with a 25th anniversary tool that's never going to be made again. I love the fact that they did that. And of course, in that Micro Jig green, you're getting all that right here. When you open this thing up, you might hear angels sing. Everything is nicely packaged here, and you can store this so you're not going to lose your parts and pieces. You're always going to know where your grippers are. You're getting 2 of the grippers, and they come with every accessory that you can possibly get with these grippers, and of course those new features as well. Both of those grippers stored right nice up top with several accessories around. And you get a bottom drawer that keeps a lot of other extra parts down there, including 2 brand new accessories that are launching with this. Now, what makes the gripper so special and such a genius invention 25 years ago is how safe they are to use, not only on the table saw, but all throughout the shop. You can use them on bandsaws, jointers, router tables, and of course, what most people buy them for is the table saw. This is one of the most popular safety tools that you can buy for your shop. What makes them so special and what gives them their name is the bottom grip. It grips on the surface of your stock that you're cutting and just gives you a better hold on it. This is an upgraded grip that they have on here. This is a softer grip, so you will feel the difference versus the old gripper. It is much more grippier. I like that. There's also a hidden feature there that we'll talk about in a minute. And it still has that drop down heel that gives you stability on those thicker woods that you're cutting. Before we get to the 4 brand new features that the Gripper Air Ultra has in store, let's talk about everything a gripper can do. Even if you get the previous version or you already have one, you may not know about some of these accessories that are absolutely genius. Now, one of the features of the gripper is actually the handle. A lot of people don't realize that, but this handle is made on purpose for a purpose, right? So it's in the center typically when you bolt it together, when you put your first gripper together, you put it in the center because that's where the force, you're pushing the force down on that product that you're cutting, which is great. But it's also straight, so it's not quite as ergonomic as it could be. So you can get this accessory already for the regular gripper, but it comes with this kit, and that is the handle bridge. What the handle bridge does is allow you to set that at an angle, which is much more ergonomic as you're standing beside the saw out of the kickback zone, and you're pushing that cut through the blade. It's just a lot more comfortable to use with an angled handle. And so what they did was come up with the handle bridge. But you don't lose that force that goes through the center because these are actually arches on the handle bridge. That's why I call it a bridge. It's an arch. And so when you push down, the force goes on both sides of the gripper equally, so you get that nice clean cut. I'm telling you, Micro Jig thinks of everything. I bought my very first gripper not long after I got my table saw because I saw how useful they were. And it's like one of those things that you buy once and it's going to last you forever unless you just cut it all to pieces. I have cut this one once. One thing that was included with this kit that you can get on previous version of the gripper that I've never used personally, I'm kind of sad that I've missed out for so long on this, is the stability plate. This thing's pretty cool. Most of these accessories, except a couple, you can buy with your regular standard gripper, so I'll drop the link to those as well. This stability plate has a couple of cool little features. You can easily bolt it onto your current gripper on this little drop down here. It slips right in there and you just snug those bolts up at whatever distance away from the project you need. What's cool about this, it gives you a lot more stability. It basically expands the footprint of the gripper. Your gripper is going to set on top of your stock while the stability plate is going to slide up against the edge of the stock. And a little cool feature is the fact that it has a little hook on the back. Remember the drop down hook back here? This acts as that drop down hook on the offcut side. So it really does help push it all the way through the cut. This is a really nice addition, especially in this kit, but you could also pick it up for the standard gripper. You also get connector plates. You can also get connector plates for the standard gripper. It's the exact same connector plate, so it will work with the other grippers. But what this is great for, there's two uses really for this. First, it acts as a shield or a deflector if you're using this at the router table. It keeps those shavings from flying up in your face, and it also protects your hands from getting near that bit from the top side. This also will connect two grippers together, so you can basically double up if you need that feature. There are two of those deflectors included with this kit. Now, if you've never used a micro jig gripper, I'm sure you've seen them around if you've been watching YouTube at all. The reason these are so popular is because of how versatile they are. Even if you get a standard gripper, the value they add for the price you're paying for these is insane. This standard gripper is only $49. So if you don't get this kit and you just want to get a standard gripper, they're only $49. And they come with a ton of features built in. You get the drop down stability plate here. You get the gripper, the grip on the bottom. You also get the leg that moves over top of the blade and a nice little window up top to show you exactly where that leg is. This standard gripper is absolutely amazing. Another thing that really makes the gripper stand out is the fact that when you're using this, you're pushing down on the stock toward the fence and through the cut. So you got three different pressures at the same time that you're using to cut the wood, and that helps prevent kickback. And it also gives you very clean cuts, so you won't see a lot of burning and things like that. If your table saw is set up properly, it should not burn at all when you're using the gripper. And I've noticed that as well, especially cutting maple and things that have a tendency to burn wood. This helps prevent that as well. So you're getting nice clean cuts as well as safe cuts. And of course the center leg that helps you basically straddle the blade when you're making those cuts. It gives you stability and control to both the piece you're cutting and the offcut piece, and that helps prevent kickback as well. This is the ultimate kickback preventer as far as I'm concerned. And you can use this for thin cuts, and this one also comes with two different legs. One side has a 1/4 inch leg there that comes pre-installed on your gripper, and you can do down to 1/4 inch thin rips while straddling the blade, keeping both pieces under control. It's a good way to make thin rips. You can also swap it out for the included 1/8 inch leg and get some really thin strips using that leg as well. It's very easy to swap out. There's just two screws there. You unscrew and bolt the other one back on. It takes literally a minute or so. This kit also comes with that heel attachment. You'll find those in the bottom drawer. You get a bolt and attachment assembly and the heel, and there's 4 heels in here, 2 for each of your new grippers. They're very easy to attach. You're just going to slide them onto the end, snug that bolt up, and then you're ready to go. That's going to give you support on the back side of your cut so you can push that cut through. This is going to be extremely handy, not only on the table saw, but also on the jointer. And what's great about these is they don't get in the way. You can simply set it down and it just mashes up out of the way and then drops back down when you need it. It's a very smart idea. Now let's talk about the brand new gripper that comes in this kit. If you're lucky enough to get one of these, you're going to be blown away by the upgrades that have been made here. First upgrade is the grippy surface, as I briefly touched on earlier, but there's a hidden feature here that you might have missed. The air in the Air Ultra comes in because of the back on each end. There is a little bit of pocket of air or a gap there. When you set this on top of your stock, you'll see it squish down a little bit. But there's also a hidden feature here. If you move it back just beyond the edge of the stock, it acts as a mini grip or a mini foot. Basically like this little back plate here that grips and pushes the wood through the cut. That's what that does. It wraps itself around the back side of that cut and helps you push through. I love this new feature. This is a much grippier surface versus that previous gripper. The next upgrade here is, why didn't they think about this before? I don't know, but I'm glad they finally come up with it. And now you got a rip tunnel in your center leg. So now you can put this leg over the top of the blade, rip right through the center of it. So now you've got two legs supporting both the cut piece and the off-cut piece as you push it all the way through the blade. I love this new feature. I am so glad that they put that on there. The next feature goes along with that leg in the middle. If you move up to the top side, it still has the indicator to let you know exactly where that leg is, but they added a little slot in there, so now you know exactly where the center of that is. So you can be able to position that over that blade so you don't cut into it. But even if you cut into the bottom of the gripper, it's not a huge deal. It won't damage your blade or anything like that. It will cut this gripper. Yeah, that's okay because it didn't cut your hand. I've cut into the bottom of my previous gripper, didn't even know it happened, but that's what they're for, is to use at the table saw. Yeah, you don't want to, but if you do, it's not a huge deal and it won't damage anything other than the gripper. The next upgrade that is in this kit, not available yet as an accessory. I hope they come out with these as an accessory for every gripper. That's the brand new resaw riser blocks. What happens when you have a piece of stock that's too thick for this drop down leg to actually reach the surface? Well, they've come up with this resaw riser block that solves that problem. Basically gives you extra height there or extra distance so that you can fit basically anything that your saw blade is going to be able to saw through. This is going to give you that extra stability there. I'm glad they did this, and this kit comes with two of those. This kit also comes with a brand new accessory never seen before. It is in the bottom drawer, and that is the gripper renew. This is one of those things I really like about Microjig, is because they kind of think of everything. They always go above and beyond on their products. This little thing is for cleaning your gripper. Because the surface is a little bit more grippy, sawdust can get on it a little bit better or stick to it a little more. And so when you're cutting a lot of stock and you get a little bit of sawdust on there, this thing right here will clean it right up. It's just a 3M pad built into this. This actually sets in the channel of your table saw. And they even thought of little set screws there to help adjust how much that tension is going to be when you set it down in there. But when you set it in there, you're just going to take your gripper and basically wipe the feet. Just like you'd wipe your feet before you walk in the house on a rug, you're just going to wipe it. And then it's going to clean those up. Literally like 2 passes, cleans that right up. You're ready to go back to work. And of course, stores right in your nice little kit. One of the cool features, well, it's not really one of the core cool features, more like the pregame, right? Is the new colorway. There's only this colorway will be on this 25th anniversary edition. So you're getting the different color handles, things like that. I think that's super cool. I like the fact that you can tell immediately that this is a special edition. It also has a 25th anniversary sticker on there. If you like cool stuff like that, like this is one of those products that just come around once every 25 years. It's very, very rare. So I think it's very cool that they went ahead and celebrated with a 25th anniversary product. I love that there's 2 in this kit for longer cuts. If you've ever cut a long board and you want to help prevent burning, keeping that thing moving is key. Or if you're using these at the jointer and you want to keep pressure down on both sides as you move it through the jointer, having 2 of these grippers will be nice and handy. Almost as handy as a shirt pocket. Ooh, it's kind of grippy. This is Microjig's 25th anniversary, and there's only 1,526 of these ever going to be made. If you're serious about safety and you like cool tools, this is a piece of history that will not be repeated. While the Gripper Air Ultra 25 combo kit here is not the cheapest you can get, of course you can still pick up the $50 gripper. This sets the bar even higher. I thought the bar was already set. They come out with this new version a couple years ago. I was like, yep, that sets it. This one goes even higher than that with all of these brand new features built in. And the fact, again, that there's such a limited quantity, this makes this something very special that we probably won't see for a very long time. If you'd like to get one, check the link in the pinned comment or scan the QR code. Grab yours before they're gone. If you missed it and they're already gone, don't use a table saw without something like this. No matter what you choose to use, don't use a table saw without protecting your hands in some way. But while you're shopping for that brand new gripper, you should click on that video and let that play. Click that box, get you the big old virtual fist bump. Seriously, that helps my channel more than you know if you watch that next video. And I greatly thank you, and that's why you earn a virtual fist bump.